I've had a lot of people ask me about this shirt. I made this shirt. Of course, it's got our emblem on the back of it. Because I made that video where I went in and, canceled my membership. Had over 3 million views in 2 days. And then TikTok took it down, either because they didn't want to pay me or they labeled it hate speech. It was real respectful. So why would I do this? That's a good question. Because I believe in women's rights. I believe a woman should be safe in the restroom. Recently I was at a convention and there were some young men in the bathroom and they had phones and they were right in front of the urinals. And I said something to them, and parents, you need to instruct your children that men and women both have a right to use the restroom in privacy. And if you got your phones out, we need to address that. But whether or not we know it or not, I don't want your child to be on social media with his pee-pee out because somebody was in there using a phone. Fair enough. I don't want my child done that way. But recently, on Libs of TikTok, there's a young man that has been running an experiment where he's taking a cereal box and he's going into Planet Fitness, that place right there, Planet Pedo, and he's scanning the barcode on the cereal box, and he's done it 18 days in a row, and they just let him in. And I love the equipment, and I love the people that work at my local Planet Fitness, but that scares me. We moved to another gym. We went to, cost me 4 times as much, but I asked them, I said, hey, do you allow transgender men to go in your restrooms, women's restrooms? They said, no, we don't. We never had a problem. We're not going to. Sold. I got a wife, right? I've got a daughter that's got some issues, and we don't talk, mainly with this woke stuff. And okay, but I still love her, and she still deserves the right to use the restroom, as a person. And it's just troubling times. I don't know if you caught the deal where that woman addresses the school board about a book, and it's on Libs of TikTok as well, and she's talking about, hey, it's got all this sexual stuff in it, and this is in your library. And then she says this, she reads the book and it says something about giving Jesus a blowjob. And that's what we're teaching our children. And we're busy, and we're working hard, and taxes are high, and we're just going to have to buckle down and get some self-perseverance, man. And Christians are going to have to help one another. Christians are going to have to give in to each other because we're under attack. Seriously. For our morals and values and freedoms. And I don't want to be the person that sacrifices my morals and beliefs. I got to stand up. And, this is me standing up. If you don't like it, wait till you see what we do with the Target shirt. God bless you. I love you. Fluent English.